Tepin drew the outside number 8 post position for Saturday's Ricoh Woodbine Mile in Canada. Daughter of Bernstein will be heavily favored to win her 8th consecutive race, a win streak that dates back to last fall. Tepin hasn't been defeated since finishing a close second in the Ballston Spa Stakes at Saratoga in August of 2015. Tepin last raced in June in England, beating Colts at Royal Ascot in the Queen Anne Stakes. She also won last year's Breeders' Cup Mile against Colts, which helped clinch her championship. The Woodbine Mile is a win-and-you're-in challenge race for the Breeders' Cup Mile division. Day 3 of the Keeneland sale continues, and we have a new sale topper. It's HIP 454, a $3 million colt by Scat Daddy, purchased from Clarkland Farm by M.V. Magnier of Coolmore. Scat Daddy stood at Coolmore until his untimely death. This colt is a half-brother to champion mare Beholder and to one of the leading sires, Into Mischief, who stands at Spendthrift Farm. This is the highest September yearling price paid since 2010, when Bessie Lou Stables went to $4.2 million for a colt by AP Indy, who would later be named Mr. Bessie Lou. For these and other stories, go to PaulickReport.com. That's the News Minute. We'll see you next time.